say hello. Now, this guy, just like our falcon, is wearing a nose. But this is a parasite. Let's take off the nose. You guys can meet Nico! Now, Nico here is a very parasite. Again, you are very valuable. And Nico here is 17 years old. Parasites live to be over 30, so he was just getting along. Now, we don't have parasites here in Utah. We've got them just a little bit of other places, places like New Mexico, southern Texas, Mexico, and everywhere down in South America. And these guys are awesome hunters. They mostly eat mammals, so they love to eat nice, fat, broken holes. But they can also take their prey with the this little hawk right here, we're only ways a pound and a half to take down a jackdaw all on its own. You guys ever seen a jackdaw out in the wild? Couple of them maybe. When I was a kid, probably every day little bunnies, they could weigh 5 pounds. They could run 40 miles an hour, jump 5 feet in the air, and this hawk can take it down. Now, most birds of prey are solitary, meaning they hunt by themselves. But not parasites. Parasites will hunt in groups. This has earned them the nickname for wolves in the sky, and it shows an incredible amount of intelligence. Now, I'm using a couple of treats on my hand here, because I think it's kind of fun to see a bird when it's climbing up and playing with love, but I think we should do a little bit of flying. What do you guys think? Yeah? We should do some flying? Okay. So, according to our bird in the air, just a couple of rules for you guys. Maybe the bird is going to for their main speed. And please do not make them try and touch him if he gets flat over your head, because if he does, they can fly over the leg. Alright, should we go over the leg? So we want this bird over here. And actually, can you throw a projector for this portion of the show? That would be super helpful for me, because birds of prey, their eyes are really keyed on movements. So, you want to ask right behind him, just very scary. Now you want to keep our bird really nice and down. I mean, that is pretty cool. And it's kind of a projector right behind him. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let's see. Let's do it one. There we go. Yes. Now, the couple of us, every time he has on my hand, he is going to get a treat. That's because I train all my birds using positive reinforcement. You guys ever heard that before? Positive reinforcement? That means when the animal does the right behavior, they get a treat. Positive reinforcement is really wonderful. Training method. It works well for birds. It works great for dogs. It's awesome for children. And it's even better for spouses. Because, this guy is free. There's no strings, there's no wires, there's nothing attached to it. So, he didn't feel like flying with me. Then he would. And when we're flying inside, it's really easy for this guy. We don't have to do some really big flights out in the desert. In fact, when we went to the vacation, this hawk actually has a day job. I told him he was going to put our first He has a day job. We were in basement. You guys ever heard of a basement before? One person has it, awesome. That means he helps keep problem animals out of specific areas, like neighborhoods and golf courses. So this guy is a wonderful seagull chaser. He loves picking seagulls off our benches. Now, you guys, you really nice to stay back here. I don't know how much was approaching over there. And so you are really flying from the active. There we go. You can step in the back. You didn't know you were going to do this, right? Alright, we go to right over here. Now, as I mentioned earlier, hawks have those bigger, broader wings. They're even better for soaring. Hawks have those long, skinny, narrow wings. hitting for Diamond. Let's see if we can find all the way over here. He's got to finish his streak there. See if we can play all the way over to this side. I'm going to be asked to play really, really let's see if we can get one for race over here. Chase jackrabbits all the way down into their burrows. So they can fly in very, very tight, very, very narrow spaces. And so the adults sometimes way above as the youngsters chase the rabbit from its burrow. Now, parasols live in deserts. And one thing that we don't have in deserts is palm trees. So, elevated perches are rare. So parasols are so social, you will actually perch on the top of each other's backs, and you can see a stack of hawks out of the desert. The eldest female is always on top because she is a girl. You have any things like that right here? Those are always a girl. That's pretty common, right? Parasols are some of my favorites. And you know, the shape is pretty different than that's just advanced. Nico here is all legs. Let's see if we can show off those incredibly long legs of his. So you see how far up his body goes? Let's try that and grab all sorts of those prey. So mostly mammals, but they also eat snakes and lizards and rats and birds. So you think that they can get those wonderful talents on when we are in the desert. Now, birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs. And the word theropod actually means beast-footed, which should be perfect for parasites because they'll usually have powerful talons to catch their prey. The falcons are not their prey out by diving at the sky. Parasols will squeeze. In fact, their back talon is named for their ability to call their Alex. And when they get that something to a prey item, it's very much Nico will also share a lot for everybody. So we want to apply. And I plan to do it at 6 o'clock so we can give him like his entire dinner. So I don't know about you guys, but I really like to